Okay, this is Hubert, and I just finished him. Everything's working good. I left the hair long. If you want to cut it and make it shorter, you can. Style it however you want. And all of my figures on Facebook and YouTube are for sale. Just find me on Facebook and you can talk to me that way. But he's just now finished. Mostly made out of pine. It's just a ring, so if you're left or right-handed, doesn't matter. But he is done and looking for a new home. So if you're interested in Hubert, look me up on Facebook. Thanks for watching.